Hello guys, now you see this is the replacement battery housing for Apple iPhone 5C. It is high quality and excellent battery housing and makes your phone look new. It is custom made and there are 6 colors for you to choose. This is the blue one, and the package includes one SIM tray, one power button, one mail key, and also one volume control button. And it is important to note the special skill and techniques are required for the proper installation. And okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.